Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to earn passive income from cryptocurrencies. In this lecture we are going to talk about yield farming. In the previous lectures you have seen other methods like staking, lending, copy trading, and also investing in ICOs. Again, we are not giving you financial advice here. We cannot guarantee that obviously you will earn money or will lose money or anything like that. You have to do also your own research and make your own decisions. But these are potential methods with very good potential return rates. Now, yield farming, what is yield farming? Basically, right now in the cryptocurrency world and the blockchain world, there basically in the last few years, there's a new concept that has been growing, and it will be probably a big part from our finance future at a global level, which is decentralized finance, and it's shortened as DFI. Okay, so DeFi. And if you are going to go on coinmarketcap.com, you are going to see here that you have cryptocurrencies, DFI, okay, NFTs, and so on. And we have here today's crypto yield farming rankings. Now, basically what's yield farming? Different people put together their resources to mostly give liquidity to these platforms who do decentralized finance. Now, what does that mean? What do these platforms do as in terms of services? They offer lending, okay, to different people who need to borrow money in order to do different projects and other things like that, financial services, but decentralized, okay? And they need liquidity mostly. And that's what this yield farming does, okay? It provides, like, all these people put their resources together and provides liquidity to these new projects, okay? To these decentralized finance projects. Obviously, being something very new, the risk is also high, potential high, okay? The return can be high, but the risk can also be high. So basically in let's say in larger terms, that's what yield farming is. Now, if you are going to scroll down here on CoinMarketCap, what we are going to see, okay, we are going to see these pools for yield farming. And the first one is Venus, which is pretty new, and it's based on the Binance Smart Chain. And if we are going to scroll down, we can see which are the pools for yield farming. So these public pools where people put together their resources. And if we look in the right side, we can see the annual potential earnings. We have this indicator which says impermanent loss, so the risk of impermanent loss, and the reward type, basically what you are earning. And you are earning a percentage of this, okay? So this is the type of token or coin or cryptocurrency that you are going to earn. And obviously you want something which has a potential high return, a low impermanent loss rate, and a reward type which is highly liquidable, or it has, let's say, it has a lot of demand in the market, or it can be used easily, right? So Venus is one of the pools, and if you are going to scroll down, PancakeSwap, which is very, very popular at the moment. And for example, on PancakeSwap, we have a pair. You need to invest these pairs. So USDT and BUSD, it has a total of $108 million, which is not a lot, but not a lot for this type of pool, but also not a small value, okay? The impermanent loss risk is low, so your risk is not high for this type of service, and the potential earning is 1896, and you earn cake, okay? This token, this is the reward type. And if you scroll down, let's see what other we have. Sushi, okay. Let's see. Okay, high risk for Sushi. Then we have Curve. And we can see that Curve has low impermanent loss rates. Curve if we are not mistaken, is one of the first type of these platforms which is somehow regulated, so it should be a little bit more stable from what we know about do your own research. And for example, we have a very good return, a very good yearly return of 12%, okay, on this one, on this pool. So we can see that each pool has a different okay, like a different name, and it has a pair of 2 tokens. So people put here a pair of 2 tokens. Then we have Harvest, which again is pretty good. It has low impairment loss risks and also has good returns in some cases, like this one. Okay, let's scroll down to see what else we have. And okay, we also have pool this one, low impairment loss rate, very good return per year. And again we have here, but for S-Finance we can see that the total value locked, it's pretty small. Okay, so we wouldn't go for something like that, but again, these are your decisions, you know what to do. Okay, we are just showing you information. Okay, so this is what yield farming mostly is. Take a look at these platforms. Maybe you want to, I don't know, to invest at your own risk. Obviously, take a good look, make your own analysis, and obviously do your research and then do your own decision. We wanted just to share the information with you and show the potential of this. Thank you again for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in other lectures as well.